We kind of got a bundle with this one. We got this one and the Ventura, Michael's Ventura. The guy had a bunch of calls and texts, and nobody would go actually to buy it or to see it. And I told him, you know what, I would just take it on the trailer. I literally live down the road. And we brought it here, and it's been sitting for like 10 months. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna sit for at least a good 3 months again, because we just barely got the donor car for it. Right now, they try to make it work with a Chevy 350. A Chevy 350 engine, and we got a whole Lincoln. Like it just did that way it has been. They were telling me, James was telling me to make it work with this engine or to get all the parts, but it's literally missing a bunch of stuff. Radiator, water pumps, a bunch of stuff. Carburetor. So I was like, you know what? It's all good. We're just gonna take it out and probably use the 350 for parts for James S10 that's sitting over there behind the Fox body. For now, we're just cleaning it and moving it, and we'll probably post some videos up there sometime when we actually start working on it, like taking stuff up. I mean, we already have the donor, but we're not gonna work until we're not gonna bring the donor here to HQ until we have the engine off the car. And since James needs some stuff from the car, I think he needed like the pistons or something, and we took a look into the pistons and they look good. Might have to use the heads too or something. I don't know. Just making a list for his S10. Until then, we might have. I want to make it road legal, so we're gonna have to get some either Fusion, like 05 Fusion headlights, tail lights. Some of the vinyl is coming off. The stickers are missing. Like I think this is a Mexican flag. And I have the vinyl cutting machine, so we could redo those. Probably paint the body. I don't know whether to get another one of these or try to restore that one. The front one and the back one. A cool fact from this car is that this is the driver that used to drive the car. I think he drove it in the NASCAR, but like in the Mexican series or whatever. But Ruben Rubello, I actually got in contact with him on Instagram and asked him about the car and everything. He said it was his first win with this car. So I was kind of, when I got it, I was kind of going for something no limits livery type of deal, but since I knew and the guy told us about the history about the car, and I started looking into it, and I saw some pictures on Google about it and everything, and even the driver said that he had his first win in the car. I was like, you know what, let's keep it the way it is and try to restore everything how it was, because I mean it has its history, and it would be pretty shameful to actually just rip it out and put no limit stuff into it. Might as well just get another one and build the stock car out of one of the donor cars that we have, a Mustang or something. But yeah, it's gonna be one of the projects that we're gonna be working on. Other stuff that we have to fix, like this. I don't know why they had it here. Probably burned up or something. The engine. Right here is one of the biggest damages on the hood and this 8-pillar or whatever you call it. It broke off the hood, and the fender's coming off of out of there and over there a little bit to the one underneath. But nothing some bodywork can fix. It steers good. I don't know about the brakes. I doubt the brakes are good, so I might need a brake system. Trash. So here Mr. James was asking why were the welds so bad on the frame or whatever, and Mr. Michael came up with a theory that maybe it was crashed. They crashed it right here because they even gave me a bunch of control arms and everything, and it makes sense because the other side is perfectly fine. Mr. Michael might have come up with a theory that it was crashed. That's why, and it explains a lot because this is off. It needs to be riveted back on. Those are welded again and they look nasty. They cut some tubes there. A lot of little welding and painting and stuff. Yeah, but it's should be a good project. The interior, literally there's no seats. I don't know what the plastic bag is. Many gauges and everything, all the good things. Right here. And they took them off. I guess they started partying it out or something. The way that the guy that sold it to me came by it was that they were selling some stuff at a warehouse. I guess they had more stuff from the team and everything. The guy gave me a bunch of decals and stuff that we could use. So yeah. Another thing that we noticed is the diff. Look at the tire on the right, on the passenger side. It's a little bit popped out. More than the other side. Way more than the other side. Little stuff like that.